Good morning and Jai Hind all of you. Today we will start our session from sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So we must have imagined different kinds of flower in our surrounding. But we forget to know what are the importance of flower in our life. So first of all, what are the function of the flower, this colorful flower in our life? So let's continue. Function of a flower is to produce the seeds. This is the first function of the flower. All the flowers produce the seeds which are the future plant of every tree. Flowers are also important because they are part of the reproductive system of the plants. If we have to say in a simple word, we can say that flowers are the reproductive organs of plants. The plants are having different kinds of flowers. So, the flowers are reproductive organs of the plant. In a simple word, we can say that flowers are the sex organs of the plant. Every plant is having its sex organ in the form of flower. So there are different function of the flower is. First of all, we will see one by one reproductive organs of the flowers. First of all, the parts of a flower. There are four important parts of the flower are. The most flowers have four parts: sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. Repeating once again: sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. So these four parts are found in every and each flowers. Sepals are green in color, petals are colorful, stamens are the male reproductive organ, and carpels are the female reproductive organs of the flower. First of all, we will see the male reproductive organ of flower, which is called as stamen. On front of your screen, there is the stamen, figure of stamen. Uppermost top structure is called as anther. The long filament like structure is known as filament. So mostly the male reproductive organ, which is called as stamen, are having two parts: anther, the topmost structure, and the long thread like structure, the filament. Anther consists of four sac like structures where pollen grains are produced. Sac like structures are called as pollen sacs, and in the pollen sacs, pollen grains are produced, which produces the male gametes. Now we see the female reproductive organ carpel. So on front of your screen, all of you, female reproductive organs known as carpel or pistil is there. Three main parts of the carpel is: first part is the stigma, second one style, and third one is an ovary. Stigma, style, and ovary. All the female reproductive parts or carpel or pistil is having three main parts: stigma, style, and ovary. The top part of the carpel is the stigma, which receives the pollen grain from the anther of the stamen, and second one is the style, which takes the pollen grain through the style within the ovule. Now the ovary is the third most part of the carpel. Now the third swollen part of the pistil is ovary. Ovary consists of ovules and stores them. It means ovary makes ovule and stores them. Ovules contains the female gamete or female sex cells of the plant, which is called as egg cell or ova. There are usually many ovules in the ovary, but some of the ovaries may have one or two. We can say that an ovary consists of several ovules to one ovules, or one ovules to several ovules. If and in each ovules there will be an female gamete sex cell or female gamete or female sex cells of the plant. In each ovule, one ovule consists of only one female gamete. So we have seen all of you the male and female reproductive organs of the flower. In the next video we will see how the reproduction occurs in the plants, how flowers reproduce and produce the seeds and later on produce the fruits. So all of you take care, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. See you again.